Hello Internet, my name is John Bromett of Crusoe Design Co. Around 7 years ago, I put out one of my most successful classes ever, Adobe Illustrator Speed Course. That class got thousands of students, it had a rating of over 98%, and tons of reviews pouring in about how it changed their workflow from then on. So I figured it's finally time to do a sequel. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Super Speed Course. In this class, I'm going to be going over a brand new selection of my favorite tips to maximize your speed and workflow. We'll be going over a ton of tips like how to temporarily hide the clutter with a click of a button, working non-destructively with Pathfinder, how to use quick keys to select only what you need, a new type of extremely adjustable fonts, why transparency masks can be better than clipping masks, pen tool tricks, appearance panel tips, using libraries to get the most used assets fast, and much, much more. This class is aimed at intermediate to advanced users, although all skilled users will probably learn something that they didn't know before, but we'll be skipping most of the basics in this class for that reason. So if you'd like to know more about me, I'm a graphic designer and illustrator, and I've been working on a wide variety of design projects for the last 16 years professionally. I now specialize in logo design and branding, as well as merchandise design. I've worked with bands like Blink-182, brands like Hi, My Name is Mark, and I've collaborated with great companies like New Era to produce my own merchandise. In recent years, I've been really diving into the disc golf world, working with brands like Thought Space Athletics to design some disc golf stamps, like this one here. I'm also an original Skillshare top teacher since 2015 when the program started. I've taught over 100,000 students and they've watched over 2.5 million minutes of my content. But enough about me, keep watching and let's get into the class so we can increase your daily workflow in Adobe Illustrator.